Welcome back to my YouTube channel Car Garage, the ultimate destination for car enthusiasts like you. If it's about cars, we've got it covered. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our deep dives into the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Tata Punch, the compact SUV that's turning heads and setting new benchmarks in its segment. Tata Motors has truly outdone itself this time, combining cutting-edge design, innovative features, and incredible value. Let's start with its design. The 2025 Punch continues Tata's Impact 2.0 design philosophy, but with a bold refresh. The front grille has a more futuristic look, with sleek LED DRLs seamlessly integrated into the bonnet line. The sharp, angular headlamps give it an aggressive stance, while the redesigned bumper adds a sporty edge. Moving to the side profile, you'll notice the striking alloy wheels, now available in a dynamic new design. The body cladding and roof rails give it a rugged, ready-for-adventure vibe, while the dual-tone paint options enhance its premium appeal. Under the hood, the 2025 Punch is powered by a refined 1.2-liter e-Vitron petrol engine, now BS7 compliant, with improved fuel efficiency and performance. Tata also offers an F variant for the eco-conscious buyers, boasting a range of up to 400 kilometers on a single charge. Whether you choose the petrol or the F, the Punch delivers a smooth and responsive driving experience, perfect for city commutes and weekend getaways alike. Step inside, and the interior is where the Punch truly punches above its weight. The cabin is more spacious and tech-packed than ever. You're greeted by a new 10-inch floating infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The fully digital instrument cluster, ambient lighting, and premium upholstery add a touch of sophistication. For safety, the 2025 Tata Punch is a class leader. It's equipped with 6 airbags, advanced driver assistance systems and a 5-star global NCAP safety rating. Tata has also added more convenience features, like ventilated seats, a 360-degree camera, and connected car tech. The Punch isn't just a car, it's a lifestyle upgrade. With its competitive pricing, the 2025 Tata Punch is sure to attract first-time SUV buyers and those looking for a compact, feature-loaded urban SUV. That's a wrap for today's review. What do you think about the 2025 Tata Punch? Is it on your wish list? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Garage for more exciting reviews, comparisons, and automotive insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Safe drives and happy motoring.